Hi there, and thank you for showing your interest in the Kits Collaborator, a powerful mobile sales tool for those in the contract furniture industry. In this video, we are going to show you how you can quickly get started using the Kits Collaborator right away. You'll be able to see how you can go directly from manufacturer catalogs and get inspired for your projects. We hope that you get to see the value in the Kits Collaborator and what it can bring to your next project. This is the home screen for the Kits Collaborator. Currently, you can see the different projects that we have created in the last 30 days. These projects can be organized by client, manufacturer, or products. You can also create folders using simple drag and drop features for whatever project you need. Feel free to do whatever is most convenient for you. Clicking on the sync button in the upper right hand corner, you'll then be able to see the list of all the manufacturer catalogs available to you on your Kits license. Currently, we have 110 manufacturers available on the Kits Collaborator, and that number is growing all the time. If you're looking for access to a specific manufacturer in your own Kits Collaborator program, please let us know. Throughout your manufacturer list, you will see the number of catalogs you currently have downloaded listed in blue. As you can see, there are many different catalogs for all our manufacturers. You are free to download as many manufacturers and catalogs as you want. We've also recently added the feature so that you can pin your favorite manufacturers to your list. That way, they'll always be at the top of your list whenever you sync. Alright, let's look at how you'll plan a project. Simply click on the plus mark to start your new project. First, you'll need to set up your project grid. You'll ensure your grid floor matches the size of the room you're currently working on for this project. Let's set this one up as a 20 by 20 room. You can also name your project however you wish. You can manipulate your project view using your mouse or keyboard or by using a touchscreen if you're using the Kits Collaborator on an iPad or any touch-enabled Windows device. Let's start building a project. By clicking on Add an Item, you will bring up a list of the manufacturers currently available to you. Clicking on them will then bring you to your chosen catalogs. You can then go through all the products available in each catalog. Clicking on a product will bring up a larger view and you can cycle through all your different options. You can also use our search function to search for your product by name or model number. Once you choose your product, you'll then be able to choose the finishes for your product to tailor it to your client's needs. Once you're happy with it, you can simply drag it to your project. Now, let's add a desk for this chair. Let's search for a desk using our search function. As you can see, it will bring up all the desks available from the catalogs you've downloaded. Let's select this desk here, and we can see that this one has fixed finishes, so there's no need to customize before adding to our project. Now, let's duplicate the chair we already added and create a space that uses this desk more fully. You can switch views at any time to get a better perspective and to make sure your layout is accurate. Instead of adding products one at a time, you can take advantage of manufacturer typicals. Typicals are furniture sets that are preset by manufacturers that you can quickly add to your project. Manufacturers have typicals for all different types of environments, such as workstations or conference rooms. These typicals are a great place to start with clients. You can easily add these typicals to your project and even mix and match them with other manufacturers. One of the great features of the Kits Collaborator is the ability to create high quality renders that you can share with your clients. As you can see, by going to the top menu and clicking on Render, you can create high quality renders in just seconds. Don't like your first render? You can always go back and change angles and render it again in seconds. Does your client want to see a different finish on one of your products? Well, you can go back and change that finish and render it again. At any time, you can always go back and view your previous renderings and export them. At any time, you can click on the List View button and bring up the pricing list for your current project. You can modify these prices at any time to either increase or decrease based on client discounts or any other factors. At any time, you can create a quick sheet and export the price list as a PDF file to your client along with a render. On this document, you can also find your contact information and the message that this price is not a quotation, but rather an estimate that your client can use for budgetary purposes. We also give you the option to fine-tune the amount of information on the list, such as including model numbers and finishes. If you choose to go with the Kits XR Pro version, you'll get access to several other features in the Kits Collaborator, such as 360 panoramas of your project. Simply go into your settings and enable the Kits XR version. This will give you the opportunity to drop some viewpoints and set up the angles of how you want your virtual camera to look at your project. Then, you can choose the type of walls and flooring that you want in your 360 panorama. Here, we are choosing a simple brick wall that will replace all our walls, and then adding a simple wooden floor. Then, you simply click on the Kits XR button and create a VR render. You can always choose new viewpoints and create multiple renders at the same time. Once your renders are uploaded, simply follow the link provided to view your project in the 360 panorama. These renders can be easily shared with clients with just a simple link. And that will do it for our on-demand Kits Collaborator demo. We hope you have a better idea of how the Kits Collaborator can empower you on your sales journey. If you want to learn more about the Kits Collaborator or get a live demonstration, make sure to contact our sales team and set up a call today.